use your bucket?
Yep. You can set it right here. Now, this is just the kids having fun. We strictly catch and release if we do catch anything. Here's our nets. That's good, Liam. That's good. I can't tell you, Trinity. Well, let's go down here and see if there's another spot. It's pretty dried up. We might not be able to run the net through it. Just watch out for snakes. You're good. We're in the woods.
Dad, the water's going this way, right?
Yeah. Yep, it's running this way. So we put a net down there. Oh, look, there's a good spot right there.
Why? But like here and there. But here is a good spot and right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, over there and here, like that.
But you see the wood piled up? You watch out for snakes in the wood. See the wood to the left?
That?
But they hear us, like they'll run. I'm just saying, accidents happen. Right here, don't walk in that water yet. Don't walk in that water yet. That's where we're going to net at. All right, that's a good little spot to net.
Right there.
Yep, that's what we're gonna catch.
A blue fish. Those are good skippers here too, like that.
Yeah, good skippers.
Can I skip that?
Yeah, okay, this is what we need to do. Down here at the end, we need to get the net. Look, right here. No, we're gonna catch it. We're gonna catch it in the net. We're gonna catch it in the net, trust me. Come on, let's go grab the net. Don't throw rocks in there yet. We gotta scare them down to us. Kids, I'm gonna grab the net. You guys stay on the shore. Stay on the shore, all right?
I just went in there for a little
Oh, guys, it's all right.
Okay.
Put it down, Liam. Stretch it more. Down more, down to where it starts real deep at. Here, Liam, get on this side. Yep, put that down. I'll get it. Come grab this. I got it. I'll reach down there and grab it. Yep.
Are you ready, Dad?
Go scoot down a little bit more.
Ready, Dad?
Tighten it up.
Ready?
Yep, now we're ready.
Run in the water.
Run, yep. Run this way. Lift it up, Liam.
No.
No, it's not high enough for our eyes.
Actually, I can just set it up.
All right, come on, let's go set it up over here.
Can I run this time? Trinity, can I run this time? Two jump skippers.
Right here, Liam.
Ready?
Hang on.
Dad, I'm gonna go over this side. I can go over there.
Go. Go. Yep. Lift it up, Liam. Lift it up.
No.
No.
No, I want to taste. All right.
We're probably not gonna get nothing, guys. Here.
It don't matter. Dad.
You're fine. Put it
Dad.
down.
Dad.
Hold on. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Go.
Go, 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 go. That's
Lift it. It's not flowing good right now, guys.
I know.
It's fun though, ain't it? This is how you do it though. This is how you do it.
Move. Yeah, you so. I know how to do it. Hold it.
Hold on, just leave it right there and down. Leave that net down.
Over here, Dad, because they're all.
All right, go. Pull it up, Liam. Pull it up.
Well, we did get a cookie.
We got a cool skipper, huh? Yeah, there ain't no fish in here.
Yeah, there is. I saw them.
All right, well, you catch it by hand.
No.
This net's not going to work unless it's flowing, unless the river's up more. Come on, roll it back up.
Oh, I got 2 skippers.
Yep, here. It's all right, here.
No, that was my net.
Here, Liam. Liam, hold this.
The net got lost.
Record me rolling the net up and we'll end the video.